Good morning guys. Andito kami sa Batu Cave in Malaysia. So yan. Nakikita nyo. Ang dami-daming mga unggoy. Kasama na ako ron. Tapos ang daming kalapate. So, yan. So we're walking through the I'm grasping for words kasi I'm so happy I'm here. The last time I was here is 2019. So hindi naging fruitful yung pamamasyal kasi naglaro na talaga kami. But here, it's very nice. Yeah, there are so many doves, kalapate. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Ayan. Alright, ang dami mga tourists. Even Filipino tourists. Yeah. Shout out to all my viewers. Welcome to my vlog. Puno pa lang yan. Kanina mayroon kami mga pininta mga imahes. Katang-sesa. Alright. See you later, alligator.